Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to talk about Oracle, and there's an error while working on users. You get error Aura 01950. This error is no privileges on tablespace user. You will get this error, or you can get this error Aura 01536. Space quota exceeded for tablespace TBS3. So how we get that and how to resolve this? So for that I have just created a few scripts. We'll go through it and see how we get this error and we try to resolve it. So okay, so we are going to create a user and a new table space and assign some quota to this user. Quota is the space a user can use. Okay, so let's see. How have we created the table space yet? No. So let's create the table space. Okay, so we are going to create the table space first before creating the user, or maybe we are creating that. Okay, so let's create the table space first. I have put a particular path where I'm going to create this the data file for this table. You see, there's only one data file right now, and creating a new data file here for our newly created table space. So you can watch my video for creating table space, managing table space. This is just a short video to show you some other errors. So for in detail, if you want to see what's table space in data files, you can watch that video. Okay, so let's create the table space first. Okay, so table space is created. Okay, so now we are going to create a user for this table space. Okay, so for user we are creating a user, simple user, and default table space for that user is tbs3, and we are assigning 1m quota 1m on tbs3 to this user. Okay, so creating the user. Oops, get not didn't copied that here. Okay, you see this is the error. I told you earlier, like you can get this error. There's a separate video for this. So if you're getting this error, you can do this auto session. Okay, now you can not by this. Again, that one. Creating the user. Okay, user created. Granting few permissions to the user. Okay, our user is created. Let's put the session back to. Okay. Okay. Okay, so create session, connect to this is also created. So now let's connect to our user. Okay. Okay, this is how you connect to some other user. Okay, so our user is created, our table space is created. So we have created this. What we can check now? user sys privileges. Getting there. There is something. User sys privileges. Describe user sys username common privilege. Okay, we are using grant its username. Okay, see, so create session, delete, all these permissions are associated to our user bk. Okay, so what we can do now, we can create a table. Now we have earlier created a table space. Now we are going to create a table. I have never showed you. You see, this is the file created when we created the table space. Okay, so earlier there was only one file, this one. Earlier we have only this file there, but with the when we created a table space new and created a separate data file to it, this was got created. Okay, so creating a table, we are with user, our newly created user, this one, and creating a table now. Okay, tbs3 with the table space tbs3, creating table test1 to table. Okay, so our table is created. Okay, so let's see. See, this is the table created, test1 to the tbs3. This is the table space name, and the owner is bk, which we have created just now. Oops, I haven't copied the correct. You see, s is missing, so that's why that error. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now we are going to see what's the data file associated to our table space. Table overview not exit tbs3, because this user does not have access to data files and does not have DB access. It just has the create table access. So we are going to connect to our earlier user which has all the access. Okay, see, this is the data file data01 tbf. This is the data file associated to table space tbs3. Okay, so let's connect to previous user. Okay, so I'm connected. Let's try to add some data in this user in our table. You see, you are getting error for space. So how to recover it? You can alter user bk quota 10m on our table space. This is the table space tbs3. Okay, let's you can't do it while you are connected to this user. So let me connect to some other user which has dba permissions privileges. Okay, so now I'm assigning 10m to our user bk on tablespace tbs3, right? So now let's connect to our user, not this one, the another one which has less privileges. Okay, So now try to again insert much values. You see, we are able to insert these much rows into the table. If you want to see, you can see. So let's start from test 1 2. There are a lot of table, lot of data in it. You see. So this is how you overcome with this error. This error. Okay. Space quota exceeded or no privileges on users. So this is all. Uh, just cancel it. Okay. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.